Your conservatory is a structure to be enjoyed throughout the year, be it rain or shine. Yet it's amazing how rapidly grease and grime can accumulate on the surface. UPVC frames, glazing, even metal parts all attract moss, algae, dirt and detritus from the surrounding environment. Before you know it, your beautiful place of rest and tranquility is an eyesore. At hmaintenance, we use hydro-heat technology, which is heated purified water that safely and effectively works to break down and remove contaminants of every description from your conservatory top to bottom. This technology both eradicates dirt and protects surfaces on both the interior and exterior of your conservatory, whilst providing drone inspection of your conservatory roof. You won't believe the results we can achieve. Contact hmaintenance today for more information.